Oswal Pumps IPO. Should you apply? Check subscription status, GMP, price, lot size, review. Oswal Pumps IPO Day 1. The initial public offering of Oswal Pumps Ltd opened for public subscription on Friday, June 13. Till 5:14 p.m. on the first day of bidding on Friday, the Rs 1,387.34 crore IPO received a 0.19 times or 19 subscription, garnering bids for 30,05,904 shares as against 1,58,16,581 shares on offer. The retail and NII participation stood at 0.19 times and 0.34 times, respectively. Its qualified institutional buyer QIB category got a 0.08 times subscription. The THRE Day IPO will close on Tuesday, June 17. Oswal Pumps Limited, founded in July 2023, manufactures a wide range of pumps and related products for domestic, agricultural, and industrial use. Nanan The price band has been fixed in the range of 584,614 rupees apiece. Nanan The minimum lot size is 24 shares, requiring a retail investment of 14,016 rupees Rs 14,736 at cut-off price. For small NII, the minimum is 14 lots 336 shares at Rs 2,06,304 and for big NII, 68 lots 1,632 shares at Rs 10,02,048. Nanan According to market observers, unlisted shares of Oswal Pumps Ltd are currently trading at 684 rupees apiece in the grey market, which is a 11.40% premium or GMP over the upper IPO price of 614 rupees. It indicates listing gains for investors on June 20, the tentative listing date. The shares will be listed on both BSE and NSE. The GMP is based on market sentiments and keeps changing. Grey market premium indicates investors' readiness to pay more than the issue price. Nanan Most analysts have given subscribe for long-term rating to the IPO. They said Oswal Pumps is one of India's fastest growing names in solar-powered solutions, and reported a CAGR of 45.1 between FY22 and FY24. The company is expected to grow at a rate of 11 in the next 5 years, the analysts said. However, they also mentioned some risks, including the company's dependent on its top 10 customers who account for nearly 80% of revenue from operations, government funding changes or policy changes, as the significant portion of Oswal Pumps' revenue is derived from turnkey solar pumping systems under PKUSUM, and the concentration of all of its manufacturing facilities at one place, Karnal, Haryana. Giving a subscribe rating, Aditya Birla Money in its IPO note said, Oswal Pumps Ltd OSPL, founded in one of India's fastest growing names in solar-powered solutions. The company has carved a niche as a fully integrated manufacturer of solar and grid-connected submersible pumps, monoblock pumps, high-efficiency electric motors, and solar modules. It said that at the upper price band, OSPL is available at a reasonable valuation of 21x at its annualized 9M FY25 EPS. We have a subscribe recommendation to this issue for the long term, it said. Another brokerage firm, BP Wealth, in its note said, given the company's strong brand equity in solar pumps, diversified product offerings, and integrated manufacturing capabilities, it is well positioned to capitalize on these structural growth drivers. Its robust domestic distribution network and expanding presence in high-growth states further enhance its ability to monetize the sector's rising demand. The issue is valued at a price-to-earnings PE ratio of 21.2x on the upper price band based on FY25 earnings annualized, which is relatively cheaper compared to its peers. We recommend a subscribe rating for this issue, it added. Other brokerages, Arihant Capital, Devon Choksi, GEPL Capital, Nirmal Bang, SBI Securities, and Smiths have given the subscribe rating to the Oswal Pumps IPO. Nanan The company recorded one of the highest EBITDA margins among peers in FY24, 30.1 in 9M FY25, up from 10.7 in FY22, showcasing clear operating leverage gains. However, Competition from established peers and its dependency on tenders for its revenue remain key risk factors to consider. Oswal Pumps competitors include Kisloscar Brothers, Shakti Pumps, WPIL, and Roto Pumps. Oswal Pumps plans to utilize the IPO proceeds for capital expenditure 89.86 rupees crore, investment in subsidiary Oswal Solar for new units in Karnal 272.76 rupees crore, repayment of company borrowings 280 rupees crore, repayment of Oswal Solar's loans 31 rupees crore, and towards general corporate purposes. Ahead of the IPO, Oswal Pumps on Thursday mobilized 416.2 rupees crore from anchor investors. The initial public offering IPO opened on June 13 and will be closed on June 17. Its allotment will take place on June 18, while its shares are scheduled to be listed on June 20 on both BSE and NSE. Swipe left for next video. The IPO is a combination of a fresh issue of shares valued at 890 rupees crore and an offer for sale OFS of 81 lakh stocks worth 497.34 rupees crore at the upper end of the price band, by promoter Vivek Gupta. This aggregates the issue size at 1,387.34 rupees crore. IIFL Securities, Axis Capital, CLSA India, JM Financial, and Nuvama Wealth Management are the book-running lead managers to the issue. Latest blogs.